Your grandmother is now mother to a 5-year-old, 3-year-old, 2-year-old, and a newborn. How old is your grandmother?
She is 64. Turned 65 today.
All right, that's a lot to put on her because you're not doing your job.
I realized that.
Where are their fathers? 2022 CR 11622, State of Texas versus Jennifer Amber Hernandez. That party is announced for the record for the state.
Debbie Cruz on behalf of the state, Your Honor.
Defense.
Renee Munoz on behalf of Jennifer Hernandez.
Are you Ms. Hernandez? Counsel, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your clients in compliance with discovery? Ms. Hernandez, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry, you wouldn't have signed that. Did you review the indictment? It's long already. Did you review that indictment with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Hernandez, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with unauthorized use of a vehicle? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
In my opinion, she does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Hernandez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. There's a $1,000 fine. State recommends community supervision. There's restitution, if any, to Rosalinda Chantaka, Chantaca. And you're to receive treatment at Alpha Home. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the paragraph entitled waiver or appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. The state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 120 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
At this time, the state introduces the exhibit number 1 and all of its attachments.
No objection.
Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. The court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor, if we may.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, my client has been struggling with some substance abuse issues for some time now. She was deemed eligible and screened eligible for an Alpha Home. We would ask that she be allowed that opportunity to be transferred into that facility so she can gain the skills that she needs to be successful on probation, Your Honor. She did recently just have a newly born child. She did have that child while she was in custody. So it really opened her eyes up to the fact that she wants to be a good mother for her child. And she does, and she wants treatment. She wants to work on herself so she can provide a better life, not only for herself, but for her child as well.
All right. How many children do you have? I'm sorry, what are their ages?
5, 3. 5, 3, 2, and my newborn.
All right. Where are your children?
My grandmother has.
All right, so your grandmother is now mother to a 5-year-old, 3-year-old, 2-year-old, and a newborn. How old is your grandmother?
She is 64. Turned 65 today.
All right, that's a lot to put on her because you're not doing your job.
I realized that.
Where are their fathers?
Not in the picture at the moment.
Well, where are they though? Where are they located?
My newborn's father is located here at Bexar County, and
When you say Bexar County, do you mean the Bexar County jail or the newborn's father is in custody?
and my 2 middle children, their father is not around, and
And where is he?
he's
MIA? Dismissed, okay. And the 5-year-old?
he has never been in the picture since she was born.
How far did you go in school?
8th grade, 9th grade.
All right, why didn't you graduate?
I dropped out. Started doing drugs when I was 15.
How old were you?
15.
Is Child Protective Services involved? Who's your Child Protective Services attorney?
They just opened a new case again, so I don't know yet.
All right, so were your rights terminated to your 5-year-old, 3-year-old, and 2-year-old?
Yes, I gave my rights to my grandma,
Okay.
to my mom.
Have you ever had employment?
When I was sober, yes.
Doing what?
I worked at a Mexican restaurant, mostly fast food.
Okay. And who is Brianna Lynn Lopez to you?
I don't know who that is.
Oh, she's the other person who was in the vehicle.
Oh, that's just a friend of mine. Oh, friend that I had when I was on drugs.
Okay. All right, this is what the court is. Is this her first case? Or has she had other cases?
Your Honor, she has a previous conviction for assault of a public officer.
All right.
She was placed on probation on that one, Judge, but she wasn't given the chance for treatment. So essentially, she was revoked on that probation because she was afraid that if she would go and test, she would test positive. So she basically absconded. But it seems like they weren't dealing with her issues then, and they just wanted to place her on probation and just ignore the fact that she has some deep-rooted issues that we're trying to help her out with.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 6 years. TAP evaluation, that can be done while she's in custody. I wrote a referral to felony drug court and a referral to Alpha Home. There's to be restitution, if any, to Rosalinda Chantaka. If there's an issue with the restitution amount, just let the court know. I'm going to want proof of employment within 45 days of release from custody and or treatment. I'm going to want intensive parenting classes. If CPS is involved, then we can accept their parenting classes. CPS compliance, if applicable. 120 hours of community service restitution. I want you to obtain your GED, or either you're going to get a trade or something so you can support your children and yourself. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So once she provides proof of GED or any type of trade, the court will waive the 120 hours community service restitution.
Yes, ma'am.
There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. I'm going to want the UA hotline upon release from inpatient treatment. I'm gonna want field visits one time per month. In probation, those field visits can count as her reporting. And no unsupervised contact with minors. And what's your mom's name?
Amalia Trejo,
Can you spell that, please?
Amalia.
What's the first
That's her first name, her last name's Trejo.
All right, and you're not allowed to reside with your mom. And let me just tell you why I'm doing that. One, because there are minors in the house and you need to get your drug situation under control. But two, if Protective Services place that newborn with her, they're placing those children with her because she's supposed to protect them. And part of protecting them is not allowing you around them unless CPS allows for visitation. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So the defendant is not allowed to reside with Amelia Trejo. There is to be no, proof of employment within 30 days of release, either from inpatient treatment or custody. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or minors. And when I say no unsupervised contact with minors, I know how it works when people have CPS cases. They end up getting somebody else who's in CPS care, and that person says, oh, I need you to babysit my children. You are not allowed to babysit anybody's children. Do you understand?
Yes.
Probation, is there anything else she needs?
Your Honor, I just need to clarify, the proof of employment, is it 45 days upon release or 30?
I'm sorry, 30 days from release.
Your Honor, and then for the UI hotline, is that tested weekly?
Weekly.
And for the referral to the Alpha home, do you want the inpatient treatment residential?
Yes.
Judge, and with that, just to piggyback on some of that, she was deemed eligible, and the PICU said that they were going to be picking her up at the latest early May, about 2-3 weeks, because we had a PR bond and that was the condition. So it seems like she's ready to go. She's just waiting for Alpha home to pick her up.
All right, probation, are you able to coordinate with that to make sure that she can be released to Alpha home if they'll take her? And we can always do the evaluation for drug court at the Alpha home. They can take care of it there.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And we can do the TAP evaluation that way as well. All right, probation, is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right, I'm showing you trial court certification of defendants' rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You've had all these children, and each time you've had a child, you had a chance to learn that one, you shouldn't be doing drugs, and because you brought children into the world, you got to take care of them. You can't just leave them at Travis Park and say, good luck to you, right? And children don't choose their parents, but now you're a parent. So you need to make a decision with your life. Either you're going to be clean and sober and be an upstanding person in their life that they can be proud of, or either you're not. But whatever you do, don't do this thing where you get your children's hopes up that mom is going to be clean and sober, mom's going to be in their life, and then the next thing you know, you're back to doing drugs, because they don't understand. It breaks their heart each time. And the other thing you need to understand is you have a lot of suitcases. It's called baggage, right? I think children are a great thing, but some people see them as suitcases. So each one of those children, and the reason why I say it's suitcases and it's baggage, because you need to be careful about who you bring into their lives. Like, who wants to carry all those suitcases? So you got your felony convictions. You got the fact that right now you don't have your education, but I know you're going to get that. You have it right now your substance abuse issues, but I know you're telling me you're going to take care of that, and you have all of your children. That's a lot of suitcases for somebody else to carry. And I say that because I've seen it time and time again where people, women and men, are doing great on their plan. And then guess what? They think they've met a great guy. They think they met a great woman. And then the next thing you know, they're back to the same way. Don't be that person because your children are dependent on you. You understand? And their grandmother, your mom, is depending on you. All right, good luck to you.
Got a reference to one matter.
Yes.
I know you said 2/6, 6 years probation. For state jail, isn't the max 5-year probation?
Oh, it is. It is.
Um,
So 5. If I could give you more, I would. Yeah, it is 5.
But thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Jennifer Amber Hernandez, a mother of 4 young children, stands before Judge Stephanie Boyd in Bexar County for a state jail. Felony, unauthorized use of a vehicle. But as the courtroom unfolds, this is not just about a crime. It's about a life at a crossroads. The court learns that Jennifer's struggles with drugs started at just 15. She dropped out of school. And now her grandmother, age 65, is raising all 4 children, including a newborn delivered while she was in custody. The fathers are absent or incarcerated, leaving the weight of responsibility on an elderly grandmother. Judge Boyd does not hold back. She delivers a stark emotional warning. You have a lot of suitcases. It's called baggage, right? Each one of those children and your felony convictions. That's a lot for somebody else to carry. This moment is raw, real, and unforgettable. It's not just about punishment. It's about accountability, redemption, and the heavy price of choices made over years. Instead of immediate prison, the court grants her probation with strict conditions: substance abuse treatment, intensive parenting classes, proof of employment, GED or trade education, and no unsupervised contact with minors. It's a lifeline, but one that comes with serious responsibility. Judge Boyd's words echo beyond the courtroom. Don't get your children's hopes up that mom is going to be clean and sober, and then go back to drugs, because it breaks their heart each time. This is a story of second chances, a mother facing the reality of her past, and a court trying to guide her toward a future where she can rebuild her life. For herself and her children, Jennifer's journey is a reminder. Our choices don't just affect us, they affect those who depend on us the most. This courtroom confrontation isn't just legal drama. It's a life lesson we can all learn from.